Now let me tell you something, guys. Whether you agree with me or not, AI is a damn powerful tool. You can use it for pretty much anything, which made me think about something I've not seen someone make a video about. Scammers, yeah, that's right. We all seen them and we all hate them. For some odd reason, word scammer just correlates to a country, but I genuinely cannot put my finger on which one. So here we have an example of a scam, and you might have seen these scams before, but you can do this with pretty much any scam you stumble upon. Essentially, goal of this video is to teach you how to use AI, which will make code which will spam the scammer's website with trash information so they have no idea whose data is real and whose is just junk. For example, there is a phishing website you got your hands on, and now you will use AI to make code which will send thousands and thousands of fake credentials so that real ones are harder to be spotted. Since these websites are mostly ran by script-kiddie clowns, this type of attack is totally doable and required in order to fight this scammer pandemic. So let's get back to our scam website. Now what we want to do is open Chrome Developer Tools and enter some random data in these input fields. Make sure that the preserve log thing is enabled in case the website refreshes. It's totally annoying, so just make sure that this thing here is enabled. Now, we can see here that the website sent this data over to the scammer. Let's just copy the URL and give it to this bad boy. Oh yeah, you're gonna cook something for me. Oh shit, that sounds a little bit misogynistic, but I'm sorry. And also make sure to copy the payload over so that the AI knows what needs to be sent to this URL. It is now important to ask AI to make a Python script which will send 1 million requests to this URL with random payload I just explained, and you're pretty much good to go. AI will now generate Python code which you can copy and paste into a py file and run. Now, I don't want to teach you how to install Python and use it. You guys are big boys. You can definitely figure out that yourself. Now, this code is flooding the scammer server with random information, and it will be a long day for them, boy. But there's always a but. You can get extra cheeky with this and even use proxies to further hide what's real and what's not. I personally like to change the user agent header as well to a random value. I'll also have like 100 proxies in case these scammers filter out the data by IP. So now they actually have no idea what's real and what's not. You can even be extra cheeky with this and use threading, and oh boy, let me tell you something, this thing is something scammers are fearing. Because, and I know Python doesn't support real threading, it's all simulated, but this does the job. Because threading allows us to start multiple instances of our code, making the data flow much faster. And if you're wondering how much faster, play the music. This faster, oh my goodness, great, this is fast, yes, 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 yes. Disclaimer. Doing this to a legitimate business is extremely illegal, but doing this to scammers is perfectly fine, because what are they going to do? Report you for DOSing their perfectly fine website? Thank you for watching yet another video of mine. Make sure to subscribe, as I'm trying to, I'll be honest with you, I'm trying to get eligible for monetization so I can earn some bread from this thing called YouTube. So, you know, support your boy. Come on, man, support your boy. And as always, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.